Hello, well, today another task to do for a whole of the Mexican food. So this freezer is a little bit wibbly, and then I'm not feeling really happy. So basically, I'm just gonna install. Let me turn the camera. So basically what I'm gonna do is gonna put some support from here to the structure of outside, because I don't want that this welding or the structure will be looked through here. So I don't want that, because people can look there, but nobody can look from here. So, and then that's what I'm gonna do now, and then I will let you know the next steps. Okay, outside of the trailer. So as I was telling, the plan is to twist the angle 90 degrees, weld the angle on here, and then once it's going down, weld in the structure that is down there. So I will continue on this one, and then I'll let you know. Now what I'm gonna do is just make a cut in the distance in order to bend this one 90 degrees. I'm just putting this one on this tool, and then I have two angle grinders. Well, I have three angle grinders, but one of them is a let me show you the angle grinders. I have this one that is the Walt brand, right? It's quite good as well. And then I have this Makita. The Makita this Makita has too much power. It's around, I don't remember. I think it's 1,800 watts, something like that. So it's crazy, but it's too heavy. So this one is less power, and then this one you could not control the speed of the tool. This one, the Makita, has control of the speed, but the Walt do not have. So I think I'm gonna use because it's too much soft, too much less weight. This one is easy to use. Use protection when you use the angle. When you use the angle grinder, use protection. It's quite important. Now this one is coated, and then I'm gonna bend in 90 degrees to use it. Okay, well, one of the things that I really need to do is to make a table to fit this one properly. So, but now I'm not have time to fit this one properly or make a table. The table is a project that is there, but it's just a project. So now just gonna bend this one. It's bended. Okay, now it's bended, and then I will continue. I think I'm gonna cut something like here. I'm just gonna try to measure how much I need to cut in order that could fit with the other thing. And then the name of this tool in Mexico, we call it banco. I have no idea what is the name. I think someone tell me what is the name in English, but we call it in Spanish. We call it banco de mesa, but I'm so pretty sure it has a name in English, but in Spanish we call it banco de mesa. I have the hole that is going there, so I'm just gonna put the metal to see how it's working. Okay, now the metal is inside. So basically, on here it will be just gonna mark on here. I'm gonna cut, and then I'm gonna weld here, and then I'm gonna weld in the top. That will make this one has like a stop to be wibbly, and then start to be properly fitted. The angle is there, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna protect this one with some wood in order that the sparkles does not go down. Just a little bit concerned because the gas bottle, I bought it since I think a year ago or maybe more, so hopefully we have enough gas. Again, using the Kempi machine mini arc mig, this beautiful machine that is doing everything amazing. I'm just gonna set up the how do you call it, the millimeters a bit more, and then now everything is covered now in order to avoid the sparklers. So better I will see. Hope we have enough gas. Okay, my sister gives me this helmet, welding helmet, as a birthday present, like maybe maybe more, maybe 6 years ago. But I think I just remember that it was coming with some spare parts. But I think now everything is too scratched, and then I'm just gonna see if there's some new parts for this one, because now it's impossible to see between. I'm just gonna change and then see if that looks better. I just changed the protective field. Look, this is the old one. Oh wow, it's rubbish. But the new one looks totally different. It's quite nice because it comes with one, two, three, four, five of them, plus the original six. So, and then the original I use it for 6 years. Well, I'm not a massive welder. I'm not welding all the time, but it's really good. For the inside part, it just came with one extra protector. Though this is the old one, and then I'm just gonna put the new one. But it just came with just one. But it's okay. It has 6, 7 years of use, something like that. One is installed in the inside part and then in the outside part. So let's see how does it looks. Definitely is a massive difference. You cannot see from where I am looking, but the other one was totally scratched, and then now, before I used to see like a thing on here, I could see something, but now I can see properly everything. So I think for the years that I have been using the scratch it, so you will be like a, every time it's like a, you will be like a, wow, nice to change this one. It's so much beautiful. The welding has been done now on the inside part. I'm super sure the proper welders will tell me many things how to improve this welding, but I'm happy with that. So I think it's strong enough. I'm just gonna do the welding outside and see. Well, I have done the welding from the outside area, so now I will need to paint again, because the welding creates too much damage in the paint. So now the structure is too much fitted, so hopefully it will be there until the freezer pass away. If the freezer pass away, the good thing is the structure is from standard undercoated overcoat freezer, so we can receive replaced with other one. So this one was a second-hand freezer, and it's been doing really well. So hopefully it keeps working. So it's hard, you need to get in mind that the trailer is wiggling all the time that we're traveling, so all the time I disconnect the fridges from the electricity when we're traveling, and then when I arrive home, what I'm trying to do is to leave some time in order that the oil cook in the compressor can go down, and then after that turn on the after 5-10 minutes to turn on again the fridges, in order that the oil is not going to the system. I think is everything for today. So hopefully we can do so many other things. So the next thing that I need to do is to make a video regarding about adjusting the grinder machine, the coffee grinder with the espresso machine. So I'm just gonna quickly show you a video. This is our espresso coffee machine, that is the Frappuccino Cone 1E, and then our grinder machine is the Eureka Mignon, something like that. I do not remember exactly the model, but it's Eureka. And then I need to do a little bit more adjustments between the grinding and the extraction time. So I think today I was working in between, while I was in Oundle Market, I was trying to do some experiments. I think tomorrow I will be continue doing some job regarding about extraction. What I wanted to have is a really good coffee for our customers, definitely. So then, guys, if you of course, if somebody has some better way to do it, just give a shot. That will be fine. But now that's everything with the welding. So see you. Hope to make a video soon and then send you as soon as possible.